Breaking World Records exclusive Spin Master Monster Jam Max D. On the back of the box, let's go ahead and check out the pictures of the real monster trucks in action from Breaking World Records. We got Max D up here at the 12 o'clock. Then over here we got Megalodon. Down below here is Zombie. Then down here is Son of a Digger. Over here is Mohawk Warrior. And you can attach a flag that comes with the vehicle on the back of the truck. So we'll do that. So let's go ahead and unbox Max D. Here's the flag. It is taped down. But let's go ahead and take a closer look at the flag. It has the Monster Jam logo on it, and it says Breaking World Records. And I'm guessing it's the same thing on the other side as well. Yes, it is. It's the same thing on the other side. Let's go ahead, bring in Max D. I really like those yellow beadlock rings that they have on the truck. It is a front engine design on the truck. There you see the engine of the front in the front of the truck. Now on the body of the truck it has Monster Jam Breaking World Records up there, up top where my finger is. There you can see it. It's very nice to have that on the truck. That's the only thing that really makes it different than any other Max D diecast vehicle because of the series. And I'll just turn it around so you get a look at Max D that comes in this series. So I'll have to look out for the other ones that I want to purchase in this line. I just only saw my Max D, so I had to pick it up. On the back, turn it around. There we go. So let's go ahead and put the flag on the back of the truck. Should just connect in. There we go. Pushed it in pretty hard so it just stays on. So there we go with the Breaking World Records flag of Max D. So there we have it. Thank you for tuning in. Hopefully you enjoyed this unboxing of the Breaking World Records of Max D.